Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. What is up? I really hope you enjoy this look. It is insanity. Like, look at this. Crazy. I did add this after the fact because, you know what, this eye is missing something. And I was like, yes, throw some colors down. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, what is up? So I currently did my foundation and powder and all of that. So I'm just gonna jump right into it, and basically what I'm gonna do is do my eye really quickly. So I'm gonna fast forward it so I can get to the special effects makeup because I don't want it to take too long, because I noticed my videos are getting a little longer when I do special effects and makeup. That makes sense. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I'm gonna be using these 4 crayons. So I'm gonna make my eye on this side these 4 colors. These 4 colors. I'm with my James Charles palette. It's the only palette I have that's all colored. So doing that, and let's get into it. To look exactly perfect. It kind of went to look messy in a way. So if you're like, ew, this looks awful, well, it's supposed to look messy. I want it to look messy and like kind of colored on like a crayon. Add some eyeliner. Liquid latex. That's burning my eye. I have liquid latex and some blood. We're gonna need some of both of that. I'm gonna put my James Charles palette away because last time liquid latex was all over it. We're gonna move that. So now I'm just gonna let this dry for a few minutes. So now I'm just gonna let this dry for a few minutes and then I'll be back to finish it off. So basically what I'm gonna do to the top of it is color it with some brown. It's very hard to see. Probably should have did that first. Who cares? You know, I just stuck my face. But who cares, you know? So now I'm gonna take that red that I was using for my eyes. After I let this dry for a bit, I'm gonna let it dry. So now I'm going to take that red, I'm going to go in the James Charles palette and take the red shade and go around, like, here. I want it to look bruised, you know. So now I'm going to take my spray blood and just spray it in there. This is definitely not subtle. But blood is going up my nose. Ew. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, I know I'm not done yet, is gonna take the other colors I did on the other side and just bring them just literally down my face. Because why not? Look at this, why not? Last but not least, I'm gonna be taking some lipstick because, you know, how can I not complete this look without some lipstick? some dish. Okay, cool. Let's see. And this is the final look. And this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little difficult. Really hope you enjoyed the look as much as I did. Not gonna lie, it's a little difficult not being able to see. But it's cool, you know. But this is it. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this crazy content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye!